guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's 4:25 in the morning and we are starting really early for this destination which is 235 kilometers from Bangalore. We have taken a lot of pit stops in between to enjoy the ride. This is the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and we are already in Tamil Nadu now. Super excited for this trip, so let's go. The ride was superbly great because the roads were filled with greenery. We crossed a lot of villages. We stopped here for the breakfast. Tamil Nadu is known for its breakfast. This dosa was so crisp and yummy. And here we reached the Hogenakkal Falls entrance and we met a Coracle driver who was going to take us. They cost 1500 rupees for one Coracle. Maximum 5 people can fit in it. And after some time we had to get down and walk for some time because the water was less. These drivers carry this coracle on their head. I have a huge respect for these guys because the coracles are really very heavy and they have to carry it a long way. And here begins our actual ride. This place is so scenic in itself with these green waters in between these white stones. Wow, such a beautiful place. Got little wet in the water. You can see how excited I am here. It was super sunny. I got a lot of tan, but it was all worth it. You get to see a lot of waterfalls all the way. This place is called the mini Niagara of South India. During the monsoon seasons, you get a whole different view of this waterfalls. I just loved myself being in between these waterfalls. The Coracle Ride, it was just wonderful. You find a lot of snacks in between the water also. They drop us at this place where we can swim also. So that is an add-on to the entire ride. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.